She's a YouTuber. She's a healthcare practitioner, specializing as a radiography. She's a very educated woman, guys. She's also a mother of two. 5 months ago, she had a beautiful wedding and everybody was talking about it. So, guys, there's someone who posted this on SA Gossip exposing umshado wa Kgomotso Ramano. This person went on to say, "Hi SGL, have you noticed there seems to be trouble in paradise for Kgomotso Ramano? Miss K, she removed all her wedding pictures and pictures with her husband, even her ring. She doesn't even wear her ring anymore." Someone again went on to say, "Bonga is for the streets." For those who don't know, Bonga is husband ya Kgomotso, guys. A big moreki for the girls around here, and Kgomotso have always known. Guess she got tired of begging. So, guys, people are exposing a husband ya Kgomotso, saying Ugoti big moreki, guys. He's been cheating on Kgomotso. It's all alleged, guys. So people are talking a lot of stuff since Kgomotso. She has now removed all her pictures with her husband, guys, even the kids. So for those who don't know, Kgomotso, she's a mother of two. I think maybe she's trying to rebrand because a lot of celebrities, guys, are tired. Do you still remember even in Mpumeli Dwaba, guys? If you go on Mpumeli Dwaba's Instagram account, she doesn't have pictures for her kids, only herself. These celebrities, guys, I still remember when Lona or small stuff, she was trendy because she also removed pictures of her husband. They are still together. Last Sunday she did post they were having a campaign with her husband. Maybe that's the reason why Kgomotso. Have you also noticed at that time when Tia Smith, she was trending, people started digging her husband's secret, guys, saying that the husband was married to a chartered accountant. Now he's married this young lady. They got married when this girl was very young, or Tia, she was 17 years old when they started dating. People were exposing a lot of secrets. So no wonder why Kgomotso thought, you know what, the best thing for me to do is to remove all of the pictures with my husband for my own peace. Maybe she's trying to protect her family. You never know. Things do happen here with social media, guys. As long as she never came out and say I'm getting divorced, I don't see the reason why people are saying she's getting a divorce. Maybe she's happy. You never know. Maybe she will come out and update everybody else. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget